Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to choose a theme for your website at connect.dataczar.com. So let's go to dataczar.com. We're going to click the login button. And we're already logged in. That's going to take us to dashboard on the main menu. So to adjust your theme, you're going to click on the website button. This is our website builder right here on the website button. These are the editing tools for adding or editing a page, adding or editing a post, adding a page template. This is the button we're going to be working with, the theme button. Then there's also settings. Quickly though, let's look at our website. This is our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. We're currently on the main theme. We created this blog post as well, choosing a theme for your website. And there's a couple reasons. You're looking to adjust the appearance or look of your website. You want to personalize your website's appearance to fit your website theme. Those are the reasons you might want to adjust your theme. But here are the written steps, and here's a list of some suggested themes. And then also, make sure you view our other tutorial, Change the Look of Your Website, which you can find at help.dataczar.com. We're going to go over this at the end. Also, to find this tutorial video, you can find it on help.dataczar.com. Just go to Website Help. So let's focus here on the themes. This is the main theme. And let's go back to the home page and back over to Connect. So to adjust the theme, you're going to click on Theme. And the first one I want to show you is Agency. And we're going to try to go through these quickly. So we chose Agency. So let's tab back over. And we're going to refresh the page. And there it is. So it gives it a totally different look. So we have the bottom menu, we have the top menu. You might want to pay attention if you use social media, where your social media is placed and that sort of thing while you're looking at the different themes. So let's go to the next theme, and that's going to be Construct. So we chose Construct, so let's tab back over, we'll refresh, and this again gives it a pretty good look here, and plus the phone number is clickable up top. That's a cool feature of this theme. Has the social media, the bottom menu, and so forth. And tab back over, and the next one is, let's go Cyborg, and tab over. We'll refresh. There's Cyborg. Cyborg is very interesting. I like this a lot. And tab back over. Another one that's pretty interesting is this Dark and Stormy. So let's tab over. We're going to refresh. And there's the look of Dark and Stormy. And we're just trying to get through these quickly. So let's say you want it more of an earthy look. Choose the theme. We're going to go with Earth. Tab back over. We're going to refresh. And the nice thing I like about the Earth thing is the blog posts. If you're posting, I like the way the layout of the posts are on the Earth theme. Let's go back to home, back over, and just a couple more. Real quick, let's find, where's it at? Etsy, choose theme, and tab back over. Again, this is going to give it a pretty different look on the Etsy. It has your home, like whatever page you're on, it's going to have it written down in here. I find that to be a pretty cool feature of the theme. And then tab back over. One more we want to show you real quick here is Service. And we'll tab back over. We'll refresh. And then, oops, there it is. Okay, so we refresh to Service, and Service is a good theme. This bottom image down here, you can actually adjust it, and I'll just show you that real quick. Tab back over. If you want to add a background image, it'll show up on some themes, other themes it won't. You just click on Advanced, Show Advanced. Background image, choose. We're going to go to My Images. I'm going through this pretty quickly because I'm going to show you something here in just a moment. We're going to use this photo, and we're going to click Update. And then we're going to tab back over. We're going to refresh. Let's go down to the bottom. And we're going to refresh. And there it is. It has the new image down there in the background. So that's a cool feature of that theme. And there's other themes too. For example, if we were going to go to Cosmo, choose that theme, tab back over, we're going to refresh, and you can see that the background image shows on there as well. So, you may not want to add a background image, but you could add a background image if you wanted to. One other thing, make sure you visit our Help button. So, click on the Help button, and a good place to visit is our Help Center. And if you go to the Help Center, click on Website Help, and be sure to watch this tutorial video, Change the Look of Your Website, because it goes into a lot more detail about changing the look of your website, things that you can do more than just adjusting the theme. So let's tab back over, back to Dashboard, and that's it. That's how to choose a theme for your website with Dataczar Connect.